What is an AI agent? An AI agent is a program designed to perceive its environment, make informed decisions, and take actions to achieve a specific goal. How does an AI agent work? Unlike a typical language model, which takes an input, processes it, and provides an output, an AI agent, first, senses its environment. Initially, this involves taking a goal from a user, or perhaps another agent. Second, it plans its actions. Here, the agent determines the best course to achieve its goal. Third, it executes actions. These actions could involve requesting necessary information or making changes on behalf of the user. Fourth, the action impacts the environment, and this updated state is received as new input in the first step. This process continues until the goal is reached, or runs indefinitely. Pros and cons of AI agents. Pros include: they automate repetitive tasks. They enable fast, data-driven decisions. They can operate 24/7. However, there are also cons. They can be complex to build. They may make mistakes. They raise important ethical questions about bias and potential job displacement. When should you use AI agents? When automating tasks that require input, decision-making, and action. When automating repetitive work. When you want to automatically react to an event. Examples include customer service chatbots, recommendation systems, travel planning, and automated content creation. Did you find this video helpful? What topic would you like to see next? Leave a comment below.